Welcome to Boostly. My name is Mark Simpson and I'm the founder of all of this. You may be wondering right now, well, what is Boostly? Well, to give you a bit of an intro, it's short for Boost Hospitality. I created it in 2016 after becoming frustrated at the lack of support there were locally here in Scarborough and Whitby in the United Kingdom for hospitality businesses online. It started as a online Facebook group with the hospitality community. I admin that bed and breakfast, hotel, rental owners here in the Scarborough area of the United Kingdom, and then it grew and it exploded because I found that not only were my little local community frustrated with the lack of support on how to get bookings, how not to have to rely on booking.com and Expedia and Airbnb to bring in the bookings, I realized that there were hospitality owners from all the niches all over the world that were suffering from this as well. When that grew to a large number, then I created Boostly. Boostly was born on the fact that people were asking me questions all of the time, whether it was how to create a Facebook group, how to create a Facebook page, what is the difference between Instagram and Twitter, what is email marketing, what is Google, what does SEO mean, how do I get to the top of Google, what's a YouTube channel, what's Pinterest. We've got questions from all over the world, from all over the different niches, and all that I did is I created this to help. We've got the Boostly YouTube channel that provides step-by-step guides on how to create all of the marketing channels that you may think of. Even as well, it shows you how to make booking.com work for you. Make sure you go and check out the video that booking.com tried to get taken down. Please make sure you look to your left right now. You will see a little guide. Now that is my blueprint that we've created over the past 5 years. Members of the hospitality community have helped me mold that together. That little blueprint will be how you can put practices into place right now to increase your direct bookings. If you prefer the written content to learn, then we've got blog posts galore. We've got over 100 blog posts, which again, walk you through all of the steps, gives you latest industry news. And also as well, if you prefer audio, I have a weekly podcast that comes out every Friday. You can go and subscribe now on Spotify. You can go and subscribe on iTunes, Google Play, wherever you like. Now, if you're ready to take the step up and you want to come and use one of my paid services, then I do website design. I've got the Book Direct membership and there's my premium members mastermind, which is called the Boostly Academy. All of that, you can find all of that information right here on boostly.co.uk. Before you leave, please do make sure you go and grab that guide. Come and sign up to get emails from Boostly. And as well, if you want to come and join the hospitality community, all you need to do is go to facebook.com, open up the app, type in hospitality community in the search box at the top, and you'll be able to find it. Before you go, just tell somebody else about this. Boostly.co.uk, go share it in Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups, go share it on Instagram, Facebook, wherever you want to share it. Tell other people about here. Try and spread the word. My goal is to help 1 million hospitality owners increase their direct bookings, lower the commission rates that they have to pay to these third parties, i.e. booking.com, Airbnb, and where we can all together as a community come together and spread the hashtag Book Direct message. Thank you so much for checking this out, and I look forward to speaking to you at some point over the course of the coming days, weeks and months.